Hey, I'm John. This is Capital Vacuums, and these are Electrolux vacuums. We are now Electrolux Albany, the Electrolux warranty dealer, the service center and warranty center for Electrolux. Electrolux is back. These are brand new Electroluxes right here, and over here are some used Electroluxes. Why don't you get all of them, Marty? Let's go run down all of them. Got a huge selection of Electroluxes. We'll take this one out. This is an Epic 6500 series. Actually, you can take a look at it. It looks like brand new. Very little use. Right there. Let me put some dirt down, Marty. Put some hair down. Show you how well it cleans. This is one of the original Electrolux canisters with the L-shaped power head and the swivel. So it's easy to maneuver, and the L shape so you can get around the legs of the furniture and stuff. And it comes with, obviously you get your power nozzle for your rugs, old traditional style Electrolux rug and floor tool this side for the bare floors, and then that's reversible this side for your rug. You also get pepper tool on board, snaps into place, and the old style Electrolux combination dust and upholstery tool. This side is your nice horsehair brush for your end tables, coffee tables, TV screen, horsehair so it won't scratch anything, and then it's reversible. This side's good for the arms and legs of the furniture and the stairs. Whoops. Open up all the way to the stairs. Close it and do the pleats and the drapes. So, anyway, this machine is lightly used. This is one of your old style automatic machines. Automatically shuts off when the bag is full. Won't run without a bag. If you do try to run it without a bag, this is what happens. Won't run. Later go on and tell you that there's no bag in there. Check the bag, so that way you're not going to damage the machine by loading up with a bunch of dirt or anything like that, and the machine's going to last you a long time. So anyway, that's everything you get with this machine. I'm John, this is Electrolux, and this is Capital Vacuums.